Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Organic Dela. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make sofrito from scratch. My favorite style: green onions, cilantro, some culantro if you can find some, 4 tomatoes, any kind is fine. Also grab some celery and some green peppers, but you can use yellow or red, olives, a half a red onion, 15 garlic cloves, a half a yellow onion, and vegan bouillon cubes. You can use any kind. You can also use paste, but I like these because they're gluten-free. Grab a lime. We're gonna need some water consistency in the processor, so we're gonna add the tomatoes first to create that water consistency for the green vegetables to break down very finely. We're gonna stir everything up. Once we stir it up, we're gonna add some more greens into this and stir it up one more time. Spin it. And this is great on soups. This is great on rice, pastas, meats, even though I don't recommend you eating meats, but anything that you really much cook can taste amazing with sofrito, especially the way I make it. So here I am adding some more fluids with the lime. I'm gonna add the rest of the greens, stir it up a little bit more, mix everything really well, so again, the consistency can be very finely chopped. So add the rest of the greens here, mix it one more time. And then we're gonna add some olive oil, or you can use avocado, coconut oil. Try to stay away from like canola oils and things like that. Healthy ones, please. Grab 2 mason jars because we need to store one in the freezer and one in the refrigerator. We're gonna fill it up a little bit over half, as you can see here. And then you can use this on any dish, like I said. Keep one in the refrigerator and keep the other one in the freezer. Here it is, guys, my sofrito, voila! Guys, subscribe for more because we're going to be making amazing dishes soon, so stay tuned for more.